Hello my people. So today I just wanted to do something a bit different, and I want to do a commentary over this live execution that I took and uploaded into Discord and Twitter the other day that I shared. And I'm just going to run you through everything that I was thinking of in the current moment. So first of all, if we start here on the 15-minute, we can clearly see that also on the 5-minute that we've had the 7 a.m. open and we've just started expanding higher, and we've taken the previous sessions buy sides. So from there we've shifted, you can't see it too well on the 1 minute, but we've shifted below this low right here. Okay, as you can see here, we've had this smart money reversal up here and we've just started trading off lower. Okay, now we are also inside of this macro time here, and I sold short inside this fair value gap. But because this is a market maker sell model that I'm looking for, we have our smart money reversal and our first stage distribution. So here we have our second stage distribution, which many times can be seen with a stop rate just such as this, right, where I've sold short inside this fair value gap, we've made a new low, and then we retrace. And if you've seen, I had this order block already written out there because I was giving room to the fact that it might want to do exactly this. And I've got my stop loss right here above the swing high, above this order block. Then we can just see, after reacting off this order block, it has just wicked it. The body's not closing above it. And then right around the middle of that macro, we just started expanding lower. As you can see, I've put my targets to a further objective because it's giving us real big black limousines, long down close candles. I'm quite positive on these draws down here, so I extended it from here to the London low, I believe. So my draw initially here is just the lowest low that was created since or just prior to 7 a.m. because that is where the open is, and it's kind of like a power of three. So you got the open as the accumulation, and then you got your manipulation, which is this protraction above the previous session's high. Then we have this smart money reversal, and then we change delivery programs to the sell side, and we're having our distribution below our accumulation point, which is the New York open, or you can use this really on any session opens, and then of course the actual liquidity that rests, in this case, below it. So here I wrote the SMT at the lows makes things problematic, calls for a partial. So we hadn't reached this yet, but you can see this SMT indicator indicated that we are having an SMT with the other indices. So I just took a bit of a partial there, and still held most of my contracts to go lower. I'd also moved my stop loss. I forgot to mention that I have written out here that I would have taken another entry here if it had given it to us, but it didn't. And yeah, so my stop loss is at break even, so I didn't really mind what happened there. And I've written here that I had forgotten that I had sold this partial here, so I should have lowered this sell order that was below this low from 2 contracts to 1, and then kept the remaining 1 for here, because prices did reach down to here before eventually reversing. But yeah, so that's just real quick, sweet and simple. That is the pre-market model. I honestly couldn't make it any easier for you. So I guess also I did write here that once this low had been taken, if I was still holding on to contracts, like a one final lot for down here, then I would have trailed my stop above this green candle that is at this new wick opening gap midpoint, okay, and let the rest be a runner. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you found value in this, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Ciao.